Yeah, I'm not gonna put PvP on. That's stupid. I'll quickly just post these announcements. So, I'm not putting PvP on. It's stupid. Alright, I'm going to quickly open the stream on my phone so I can see the chat. Alright. So, I have no idea what my oh fuck, I need to mute my phone. So I have no idea really what I'm gonna do specifically in this stream. In fact, as always, I haven't even thought of what the first thing I'm gonna do is. I guess I should start making it all into GUIs, right? I'm not putting PvP on Fusion, don't worry. In fact, I'm gonna quickly set up the server icon just for this. What size does that be to be? Is it 32 or 64? I can't remember. I don't know. I'll open an old one, and that'll tell me the size probably. I guess I don't have an old server icon. Maybe in saves. Yeah, it'll be in here. Alright. And then we'll copy this, paste it in here, keep canvas size. Cool. And I'm not going to be doing this for the whole stream, by the way, if anyone's wondering. I'm literally just doing this quickly now because it's annoying me. I've just got to figure out a nice size for it. I can be a bit bigger than that. Actually, I can easily just fix the size. Doing that. Cool. And then, just because I'm picky, I'm going to go around it with a pencil and just do a level of black all around it. Oh shit. I won't be doing this for too long, don't worry. Because obviously this isn't what anyone came to the stream to see, is it? Then again, I'm sure there's some people that don't mind seeing this. Fuck. Fucking hell, I can't even draw a straight line. I came to watch this, did ya? Okay, it's not perfect, isn't it? But could be worse. I just think it'll look really shit with like half of a black outline and half of a non-black outline, so I'm just going to remove that because that annoys me. Cool. And this needs to go in here. Cool. Where am I going? So that. Cool. And then let's just restart just to check that that worked. Alright. Now let's get started, I guess. So what do we start with? What would you prefer to see? Me coding the rest of the commands, or me starting to make it into a GUI? I guess whichever most people say to do, I'll do. Oh well, it didn't work, did it? Am I on the wrong server? No. Why did that not work? Huh, weird. GUIs. Anyone else gonna put any input in, or? Why did that not work? I'm confused now. I am on the developer server, right? Shit, no, I'm in Prevail. Oh fuck, now the next time I restart Prevail it's gonna have that logo, and I didn't take a backup of... Fuck, I'm gonna have to remake Prevail's logo. Ah well, it's not too hard of a challenge. GUI's cool, I'll do that then. So I already started this a little bit last time. Is it weird that my fucking backspace comes off half the time? Is that weird? I mean, I don't know. I think it's just because of like the way I hit it, I pull it down at the same time as hitting it. I don't know though. Oh my god. I think I need to really get a better way of handling GUIs. But this is literally how I do all my GUIs, so... Okay, cool. I don't get this, right? I can see personally all the pixels on here, but this one looks really good to me. Like, how do they make it so that it doesn't look really pixely? Is that just because the way I'm doing it, I'm downscaling the 800 by 800 to a 32 by 32? Or am I wrong in saying that the size is 32 and it should be like 64 or 128 or something? I don't know. So we'll code the panel for where someone doesn't have an item first, and I need to do this in here as well. So alright. I'm just going to quickly do item stack glass equals new item stack material dot. Did you say you're going to make it so it saves? I don't know if I should do that all today or another time. I mean, I guess I'll do the whole GUI thing, and then depending on how long it's been and if I feel like doing more, then I can do the data saving as well. What's the durability for the glass I'm thinking of? 7, I thought so. Yeah, cool. I mean, I'll probably stream for a bit longer. I'll try and stream for like 3 hours or something this time instead of like 2 or 2.5. But I just like, I don't know, I get to a point where I start to get bored of it after doing it for like 2 hours straight, and you know, I just don't work as quickly, so I stop. Okay. So it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna change this. So if they don't have an island, then the panel will be smaller. So I'm just gonna do that there, because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if they have an island or not. The top line. Well, actually, that's gonna Can I do inf.setSize? No. Huh. I thought that would have been a thing. So I'm not going to bother to do it there because the inventory is recreated. So item x glass. Want me to make human? Huh? No, I'll do it all custom. I'm not gonna like use deluxe menus for the menus and shit. It's not the right way of doing it. The design. I don't know. And I'm just gonna do 27. Let's just set everything to glass and then we'll change what's needed. The design. I mean, I just stick to pretty basic menus, really. Like, a quick example, it'll probably just end up looking something like the gangs menu. It'll just be something like this. Not dying slowly. You know, it doesn't need to be anything complicated, does it? Just probably end up being something like that. So. Fuck. Oh my god, what am I doing? Let me think. So let's say this is the GUI. We want a button there. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Item stack. I equals new item stack. Material. Grass. Oh shit, why am I fucking doing that? A to M equals I don't get. Item meter. String L equals new. List. So m.set display name core.color. Create island. So, how should I do the GUIs? Why the fuck do I want to use an auto miner for? Should I do it kind of like bullet points, or should I do? Yeah, I'm gonna do bullet points. Where can I copy a bullet point from? I think updates in here, or season 2. Yeah, cool. Wrong tab. So. Click to create your island. I'm going to say generate instead of create. And then m.set law L, I.set item meta M. Should I should really create some kind of like item manager, huh? I don't know. instead of doing this each time. Should I do that? Fuck knows. Anyway. What did I say? It was 11, right? And then I equals new item stack material dot. So this will be for invites. I'm gonna make an option for your invite. So what I'm gonna do, if you have an invite, how do I do the invites again? It's in here, isn't it? Did I do it static or did I do it private? Private. I shouldn't be doing that. Yeah, fuck it. I don't care, man. People always tell me off for doing static, but I'm just gonna do it. So if invites.contains. Oh, I can't do it because it's not static, right? Okay, so if island command dot, I should really move that out of the island command class, but yeah, I'm gonna move that into the user class quick. Private UID invite. And then we'll do public void set invite. Now I'll just do invite UID UID leader. Now we'll say island, not leader. And then we'll do invite equals invite equals island. Cool. Public void set invite island. Oh shit, no, that's literally what I did there. Get invite. Return invite. Don't need that parameter. This is the UID. Public boolean has invite. If invite, what would invite be? Null. Yeah, invite doesn't equal null. Return true. Return false. So I need this. Fucking hell, what am I doing? We'll get rid of all this. Now I need to edit this command, so can you give me food? Sure. There you go, you both got some food. No problem. So I need to do user.setInvite. What was it? Oh, invite, not set invite. Dot invite you. and then if user dot has invite and user dot get invite equals u2 user dot invite null. Now I'm gonna make just another method just because why not, and I'm just gonna do public void remove invite island invite equals null. Is this a smarter way of doing the whole invite system? It is, right? Rather than just doing statics and shit in the invite in the command class. I need to stop trying to ping into tab into Discord. I don't know why I keep doing that. User dot remove invite. And then in the accept, user dot has invite. Sorry, but you don't have any pending invites. And then if user dot get invite equals u2. Sorry, but you don't have an invitation. Yeah, that's right. And then invites user dot remove invite. Cool, that should be good, right? Nope, still got an error somewhere. Where's that? Fuck. How can I fix that? I just have to make it final. But I can't, can I? What even does the final modifier do? Yeah, I can't change it because it's final. So how can I go about doing this? Can I just do it again? That works. Fuck it. I'll do that. I'm just going to quickly test that that whole invite system works before I continue with the GUI. Cool. I'm going to need one of you to help me test that if possible, please. Alright, if you've got an island, try and invite me, otherwise, I'll try and invite you or something. Is, create an island and try to invite me, please. This is the good thing about streaming, I can get people to help me, rather than having to try and do it all on an alt. You have one. How do I have one? I didn't create one. I was gonna say. Just check it says I don't have an invite from him. I'm asking to join the island, and I can now break here. No, I cannot. Or am I at the wrong island? Oh, okay, I'm at the wrong island. I want to make it so that when you join someone's island, it teleports you to their spawn. And then, so that'll be here, right? Bucket.getPlayer player p equals bucket.getPlayer this dot uid. Don't need to do this. If p doesn't equal null, p.teleport this dot island dot get spawn location. Game rule do keep what's it again? Game rule keep inventory true. There you go. Really? Bye. Alright, cool. Rage quit. I'm not gonna bother just to restart just to test that. So, what was I doing again? Oh right, user.hasIsland. So if user.hasInvite else I equals new item stack material.skull item one skull. How do I do this again? Short skull type dot skeleton dot ordinal, right? I don't know. I've never actually used like a skeleton skull. Item meta m equals I dot get item meta l dot clear m dot set display name no pending invites m dot I'm just gonna copy this part so I don't have to copy that bit anyway. Sorry, but you have no pending invites. And then that's where if they do have an invite, so again I'm pretty much going to copy this, and in fact set law l I.set item meta m inv.set item. What slot is this again? So if that was 8, 9, 10, 11. So if that was 11, I want to do there. 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright. And that'll be player in caps. Fucking hell. UID inviter equals user.get in island leader. No, that's not the right thing. Get invite. Oh, okay. I.set owner. Nope. Oh fuck, the item meta needs to be a skull meta. I don't think I need to do that for this one, but I need to do it here. Skull meta sm equals skull meta I.get item meta. Get rid of this. That's sm, that's sm, that's sm. Import skull meta, cool. How many likes does this have so far? Any? 3, cool. 6 people watching, huh? Not too bad, I guess. The fuck you on about? Oh, it doesn't save yet, yeah. Right, what was I doing again? sm.setOwner bucket.get offline player inviter.get name. Is that deprecated or something? Yeah. Invite from and I'm gonna quickly save that to a variable actually. String name equals cool name So left click to accept, and then right click will be to decline. I'm going to change it to red for that. I still need to make the decline thing for the command as well, but stupid question, right? If I'm making the whole like GUI system, do I just delete all the commands like I did with gangs on Prevail and just make it so that you have to do everything in the GUI? Or do I keep the commands and do the GUI as well as the commands? I feel like I should just do one or the other, not both, right? But what's your thoughts on that? Keep commands and GUI, huh? I don't know. Both is useful. I mean, I might as well just do both, I guess. I don't know. I guess there's some people that will just want to use the commands and not bother with the whole GUI, right? So, plus there's more that can go wrong with the GUI than there is commands, so so I'm gonna restart it at that. What's this error? This is warning from. Oh shit, it needs to be UUID, doesn't it? What's this warning coming from? Oh, I did the same thing there. So I'm not going to code the clicking events in. I'm just going to reload this and see if that works. Theoretically, it should work. We hope. No one's left yet. Surprising. The fuck? Some people do have some pretty good little statuses, I think. Oh shit, I never actually coded a way to open the GUI. Right. Where the fuck am I going again? Solar, because I need to firstly register the event. And everyone was telling me to do it like that before, so I'm going to do it like that, and this time as well. How did I do that again? Public island GUI solar get server get plugin manager register events new island no, this and solar. Cool. And then we do new island GUI this. Right, cool. And then in the command what we'll do, so we need to make a help argument. If arg0 equals ignore case help, return true. And And then we just need to do the whole GUI thing. So we'll just do an else statement from that. And then if s_instance of player. I don't really need to do that when I'm doing it just for my own use, do I? I mean, but whatever. What was it? P dot open inventory island GUI dot main. No, I didn't make it static. That's fine, right? That's everything. Okay, let's give that a shot. As always, I'm gonna quickly hide my screen to look for these. Oh shit. Selling had a good idea, taking a screenshot of the current Prevail thing. Alright. So let's give that a shot. Is create an island. Okay, I didn't colour the name, that's an easy fix. Why do you keep saying welcome? What was the thing I didn't colour? It was the name of the it was the name of these. Perfect. Okay, well not perfect, but good. And that's excessive. I don't need to say the player's name 3 times. So I'm going to change it to that. Cool. So let's code this part now. So if you.get rule slot is less than 27, Junkie, anyone can join. I mean, it's not necessarily for like specifically testing, but the IP's there if you want it. There you go, you can pause it and go back and see that if you want to join. Did I just, yeah, I joined the wrong thing. Cool. Now one other thing I'm going to do is e.getClick.toString.contains shift. So I want people to be able to move their inventory around, so this is just a solution to do that. Because I don't want people shift clicking items into the GUI if there's ever an empty space, because then they'll obviously lose the GUI, lose the item when they shut it. So Let me think. If e.getRaw, I'm gonna just do int slot equals e.getRaw slot. Slot is less than 27. So slot equals, what was it, 11 for the first one. Else if slot equals 15. So this is create island. How did I do that in the command? That. And does that set it in the user thing as well? What's the method I'm looking for? Island. Was it add? No. So this is the method to create it. So does it set the user thing? Yeah, it does. Cool. So I just do solar.islands.add new island p.getUniqueID and system. I don't even need to do that. I can literally just do that in here. Why do I need to do that as a parameter? I can just do system current time millis just right there, and it. No point in doing it as a parameter. Message solar.prefix island was generated. And I'm just going to copy this message into the command just so that the messages are the same. Actually, it don't fucking matter, I'll keep the messages different. And then we want to reopen GUI. So I'm going to do this a bit differently. So instead of having to actually open the GUI, I'll just make it so that it can load it. Private void load menu, player p, inventory. Now I'll just do env. Then this can be all in here. And then in here we'll do load menu p get inventory. That should work, right? Don't see why it wouldn't. I'll just check that that works now. Damn, fucking 45 minutes already. Really? Twat. Okay, I'll make it fun for you. That's not good. I don't have an island. So why is it opening that menu? Or is that this method not working? Must be. Oh no, I never fucking called it, did I? Actually, I do need to accept someone's island invite after this restart as well, because I need to check that it teleports me to the island. It should, but we'll see. What the fuck? It snowed a bit. This is cool. Anyway, can't do it. What? What did I do? Don't look down. Oh. Why did this paste... Is this an island? Oh no, this is the one I built to copy probably, isn't it? Yeah. Why did that not enable? And why is there errors with that? I don't even want that. I need to get rid of that. Is it working now? Still does that though. Why is it not opening the GUI? It's since I made this into a method rather than doing it in the actual code. Any ideas on why this isn't working, anyone? Is it because I'm creating a new inventory but not opening it? Could be, couldn't it? Nah, it won't be. Doesn't matter. Jesus Christ. Well, there's an easy way to test. I'll set the name there to just something random, and then we'll see if the name changes or not. If the name doesn't change, then we don't have the thing. Maybe the inventory goes over the GUI. Huh? What do you mean? Fuck off. Yeah, the name's just that, so I can't actually do this and set anything about the GUI. I've done that before though. Why can't I do it this time? That's weird. Oh well, guess I'm not doing that. That's just annoying because that means I have to do another list. I don't know. I never know what to call this. I'm just gonna fucking A. Yeah, why not? No, we don't want to do that. This is the only thing that sucks about the way I code GUIs. Okay, I guess we test that. We can all relate to this, right? Just sitting there, reloading our server list till it says that we can join. There you go. Could you try and create environment and invite me, please? Cheers. Cool. So if I create that, if I click that, it then opens the actual panel. Good. Right. And I need to change this back to that. So, what do we do now? Oh, I should code the accept the invite thing. What am I doing? Fucking hell, where's the fucking thing? There it is. So if user.has invite, just check that the invite hasn't expired. Else core. In fact, I'm tempted to make the GUI. Nah, fuck it, we'll do it the lazy way, man. If you do is disband, the is create comes back up. Huh? Of course it will. Because you've just deleted your island when you disband. That's what disband does. Unless I'm missing something. fuck's all this? We'll ignore that, I guess, for now. So if slot is 15, I swear I literally just coded a fucking if statement in here. Where's that gone? No, I didn't, because I got rid of it because I was hesitant of doing something different. Message SolarSkies prefix. Sorry, but that invitation has expired. Okay, I'm gonna ask now. So you know, in this menu, right, when you have an invite from someone here, should I make it so that this updates every second, checking if you still have that invite? And then if you don't have the invite, it sets this to the thing saying that you don't have an invite. Also, shouldn't that have expired by now? Is the expiration not working? Every 10 seconds. I don't know, because my point is, like, as well, right? Say I get an invite from you. I want to accept the invite from you. But just before I click it, I get an invite from someone else. Because then if I click it, it'll accept the invite from the other person rather than from you. So I think I should probably update it. I mean, realistically, it's not going to be laggy. Yeah, I'm going to do it. So we'll do new bucket runnable. Alright, see in a bit. Public void run. Wait, how do I check if the player has the GUI open still? Oh shit, no, I'm fucking being a twat. I can just do if open.contains p, else this dot cancel. And then I just want to do all of this in here instead of there. So I'm going to add another thing into here, private long invite expire. And then invite expire equals system.current plus 60,000. Public long get invite expiration time, return invite expire, and we'll also do public long get time get invite expire duration. I guess that makes sense. So that's like how long until it will expire. So we'll do invite expire divided by 1,000. No, we're keeping it as a long, so I don't divide it by 1,000. Invite expire, take away system.current. Cool. That's pretty simple, isn't it? And then, just quickly, what's all these errors about? Oh. We can just do inventory inv equals bucket, no, p.get open inventory, because they'll have this inventory. Oh fucking hell, they'll still have this inventory open. Can I just add a cast, or do I have to do inventory view? Do I still get the same options with inventory view to set the item? I do. Okay, I'll try that. I don't know if that'll work. Is the internet still working? Because the stream on my phone is just loading now. Oh, it's fine now. I don't know. So, what was I doing again? Oh, that's done. Then I'm gonna do I don't want insert. Expires in plus user dot get duration, yes, and we need to divide that by 1,000. We just need to do core.time. Alright, good luck to me. And I just want to quickly check if that expiration worked, because it didn't seem to. That should be you, not you two. That'll explain why it didn't work. Don't want solar mines in here, let's get rid of that. Alright, good luck to me. Why is Akuma down? It's not, I just said it was, that's weird. Does that a lot. Oh, Mr. Mead forgot the percent sign there. I wish there was a way to see who was watching the stream. Is he AFK because he said BRB? No. Expires in 0 seconds. That's not good, is it? Why is that actually? I don't know. plus 60,000, 60 seconds. No errors. So why is that a 0 seconds? I'm confused now. And that the expiration doesn't seem to have worked either. Yeah. So why are both of those things not working? Am I getting the wrong user? I am. Wait, am I? Because it worked before. No, U2 is the person that's being invited. Wait, how did I get that? Where'd I get that from? Did I take it before the inventory was functional? No. What? I'm confused. What the fuck's going on here? What the I'm trying to drop it and it opens this. What? Keep inventory isn't on. Okay, well it should be, but I'm more confused about this right now, to be honest. Why the fuck am I getting that in my inventory? It's got to be something to do with this whole inventory view thing, right? Let's give that a shot, I guess. I'm so confused why the expiration timer isn't working though. I'm very confused, not gonna lie. Oh shit. It's because I'm dividing it. No, I need to divide it because it's second. No, it's millis. That's why it's 0. Right? Let's give it a shot. Gonna read that message quick. Oh shit. Wait, what if I delete my custom status? What does it say? Oh shit, man. I thought I only did that with Twitch. I'm gonna hide the game I'm playing so it says that. How do I do that? Now it says I'm just letting it listen to Spotify. I want it to say I'm streaming. That was cool. If I pause Spotify, will it say that I'm streaming? No. Now it says nothing. Huh? That's weird. And if I activate this again, will it say that I'm streaming? I'm confused. Make it custom. Yeah, but it literally, look, it had like a purple thing and it said that I was live on YouTube. Does it have to be custom to do that or something? Because before it said like streaming on YouTube. I want it to do that. That was cool. So how do I get it to do that? Because I had like a purple logo and it had my stream name there. How do I get it to do that again? I just dropped that, didn't I? I guess I didn't. Right, looks like we're waiting a minute, guys. Add YouTube channel to Discord. I do. I have it on my Discord. I have streamer mode enabled so it doesn't show. I'll show it quick. I do have it enabled. Look. I have my YouTube linked. And it said it a second ago. But it's just stopped saying it. Can you? I can't. Weird. Oh shit. Could I get another invite, please? I didn't see that it worked properly. But this is updating every second. Cool, so that changed as soon as I got the invite. Well, I mean, within the second. Is it something to do with... Oh, what the fuck did I do there? I don't know, but that was cool. Sucks that it doesn't say it anymore. So this should go down to 0 and then get rid of it. And at the same time we should see a message in chat. Cool. Perfect. So now we can change this message. Sorry, but you don't have a pending invite. So fucking, I can't think of what I was doing. I'm trying to do. So this is just accept the invite. Yeah. And how did I do that again? Island.join. Fuck, what was it again? Solar.islands.get. No. Fucking solar.users.get. User.get invite .get island .join. Yeah. See, I'm good. And then I need to reopen the GUI here. Where did I do that? Can't even bother to type that out again. I'm lazy. Oh my god, it's fucking right above me, isn't it? Oh shit, it does it automatically for me. Cool. Actually, I don't want that there. I want it here and here. I don't want it right at the bottom. Cool, let's try that. I want to get that thing back. That was cool. What's this? I might have to look into this sometime. Alright, cool. Can you join on 1.15? You should be able to. Oh, cheers. Shit, he's one step ahead of me, ain't he? Right. I need to change it so that it says what page they're on. So this needs to be a hash map. So open.put p main. We'll call that main, and we'll call this one create. Now we'll call this one no island. So if it contains key player and open.get p equals an island. Wait, no, we don't want to fucking do that there. We want to do it here though. If open.get p dot equals no island, and where's that loop again? Here. Key and open.get p equals an island. Cool, so that should make it so that it doesn't set that item in the wrong GUI. I really want to get that thing back. I really wish I knew how to, because I quite liked that. And why is it that it has this little more information thing, but when I click on it, it doesn't actually have any more information? Like, you can see when I click on all these people's things, like, it gives information on what they're doing. Why doesn't it do that for me? Or is it just this is that information? I don't know. I need to wait for someone to come on to invite me. Actually, no, I don't. I can just test it by creating an island. Cool, doesn't set it. Brilliant. And then just to confirm when I open this, that doesn't do it. Cool. I can't believe it took like an hour just to do that bit. That should have been like 20 minutes at most. Oh well. So I'm gonna call that home instead of main. So, what options do we need in the panel? We need a delete option, an invite people, a value, things like that. I'm just gonna set it up as like a kind of cramped GUI instead of having everything really spacious. I don't really care right now about making everything look too nice. I can do that at another point. So display name core.color disband island. And I'm going to make it so that you have to double click it to disband your island. Double click to disband your island. And I just want to make it so that so this shouldn't be the first thing I create, because only the leader can do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is just the home. So I'm going to do bed and set this color home teleport. Yeah, I'm going to say home. And then click to teleport to your island. Right. And in fact, I'm going to change it to, no, I want it to be 45. 45 is 5 lines, yeah. And then we want to do if user is leader. No, .get island leader. I'm just going to make that another method quickly. I don't know why I haven't got that as a thing. Public boolean is island leader if leader if UID equals leader, return true, return false. Is leader because we only want the leader to disband the island, of course. How long have you been doing plugins for? Almost 2 years. I'm not sure exactly when I started, but I think it was either I think it was either June or July of 2018, I think. But it might have been a bit earlier or a bit later, I don't really know for sure. One of the two. But obviously I haven't been doing it that whole time. I've taken breaks and things like that. I don't want that to be inside the if statement though. So if that's, did you learn Java as you did, or did you? I jumped straight into doing plugins. I never took the time to just learn Java on its own. So that would explain half of my stupidity when it comes to raw Java. I assume that's probably the point you're getting to at this rate, huh? Same dude that spammed me. Not gonna even bother. Look, it's done it again. Let's delete my status. Now will it stay as that? Fucking better, because I like it saying that. That's cool. Gives me some free advertisements in other servers, doesn't it? What slot would it be? 27, 28, 29, 30, 31? I'll take a shot in the dark and say 31. I can always change a number later on if it's wrong. If I did most basics of core Java before, now I'm starting plugins. I have to Google my way through more complicated stuff. What, do you mean you're just starting plugins like recently, or you started like a while ago? Look, stop fucking saying it now. Does it just say it when it wants to say it, or is it just for me it keeps on saying that it's not saying it when it is for everyone else? Why am I checking if they have an island? They're going to have an island. Fucking idiot. Yeah, starting plugins now. I have some ideas I want to do, but I'm not sure how to do some stuff. I mean, yeah, there's my my Discord is that. If you want any help, just message me and I'll help if I can. I should make that an else if, shouldn't I? Oh shit, I just closed the chat accidentally. Didn't want to do that. If slot equals 31, did I say? I said it as right. Oh, you know, fuck it. I'm just not going to allow players to move stuff around in their inventory. I'm just going to always have it cancelled. So slot is 31. Then we'll... I assume it's more efficient to get the item stack and check it's a barrier. We'll just do that. Rather than checking through the code to see if they're a leader or not. Right? I don't know what's the best way to do it. So if the current item is a barrier, now we need to do the double click thing. So we need to do another list up here. Disband. And how long do we give people to double click? I guess like 5 ticks. because you can easily double click in 5 ticks. And you shouldn't accidentally do it, so. If disband contains p, else disband.add p, new bucket runnable, public void run, dot run task data asynchronously solar instance 5 quarter of a second. Yeah, that's fine. And then if disband dot contains p, disband dot remove p. So this is the disband thing. User.getIsland.disband. And is there a message? I need to add the message. I'm going to delete that message. And I'm going to do now that I think about it, I should teleport all the players to spawn? Nah, it don't really fucking matter. I'll keep it as it is. We'll try that. I'm gonna need your fusion if you're there still. My phone's gone down 10% so far. So first I'll create my own. Double click to disband island. Huh. Why does that not work? It should work, shouldn't it? Although it did go in the right slot, that's a good thing. But it's not cancelled the event now. It should cancel it. Any idea why that's not cancelling the event? No errors. Weird, cancels it after I reopen it. That's something I need to fix then. Why's that? I'm confused now. I need to close the panel if they disband the island. So many pings, what the fuck? P dot close inventory. So I don't have an item now, right? No. Invite please. Got 8 people watching now. I think that's the most so far on this stream. Most that I've seen. Thank you. Cool. And I don't get the disband option. What the fuck happened here? Okay then. And just to double check, I can't delete it. Right. Oops. Forgot about that. Right. So let's make the home teleport thing work. So this is a simple thing to do. Should I make a set home option as well in the GUI, or should I just keep that as a command? I'll make it so that if you right click then it sets your home, and if you left click then it teleports you to the home. That's what I do. Left click to teleport to your island. Right click to set your island's home. Oh shit, that's not good. I forgot to make the thing in the GUI. I'll do that now quickly. That's the one, remove invite. What was I doing? I was doing this. So if e.getClick equals click type dot left, else if e.getClick equals click type dot right. Why does it say there are 23 people watching? Someone's fucking botting the stream or some shit. Really? Now's a good time that I do really wish I could see who was watching. Seriously, someone is like botting it, right? We'll see about 600 messages a second in the chat soon. Ah well, nothing I can do about it. Hello Sarah, am I allowed to call that, or do I don't know if I call you that or not on this, whatever. Fuck, what am I doing? So, let's stop getting distracted, Ben. Okay. Stop getting distracted, go. So, I'm distracted again. Literally, I said I'm not distracted, then instantly looked down at my phone to see the chat. Someone is botting, yeah, for sure. There's no way that there's actually 20 people watching. So this is p.teleport user.getIsland. You know what, I should stop doing user.getIsland. I'm just gonna literally just do island equals user.getIsland. And then anywhere in this section replace it. So p.teleport. I swear I literally typed that already. $36 now. Fuck off, man. Why is someone botting it? Seriously, who is that? Cool. A nice song just came on. Sorry, I'm distracted. A nice song came on. 48. Why is... Who the fuck is botting it? Seriously. I remember seeing someone say that they were gonna fucking bot it the other day, I think. I remember seeing it somewhere, someone saying that they had like 20 accounts, but that doesn't explain the 50 people. Is this a weird version of the song? Sounds different. Yeah, it's a remix version. Anyway, I said I'll stop getting distracted, so I'll actually stop distracting myself now. Should I make it so that you have to double click to set the spawn location? Just because I don't want people accidentally setting their spawn location, do I? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. If set home.contains p else the fuck is Brawl Stars? Set home. Auto chess but an MC. What? The fuck is auto chess? Set home. I'm at a point where my brain just keeps on going to mush. I don't know why. Tyler, I can kind of help you with currencies. I can help you with like custom currencies if you need it. Fuck. I need to stop getting distracted. Okay. So, stop getting distracted. Go. Set home that contains set home.remove p and island.set location p.get location. Do I restart just to test that? Might as well. Now there's apparently 85 people watching. Anyone want to own up to botting it or what? Guess not, huh? Yeah, Sarah. I guessed it isn't you. I remember, I think it was someone on Akuma said that they were gonna buy it. But I don't know who. Yeah, I don't know why someone does it either, fascinated. It's a bit stupid really, but does actually stupid question, right? The more viewers that a stream has, does that make it like get shown to more people? Like, I don't know. The thing is, this can probably get me in shit for the sense of like they'll think that it's me botting the stream to improve its popularity. It's up. Oh yeah, shit. I forgot that I was testing. I was so clicking it once with the left click didn't do it. Any errors? What's this? Null pointer error at 30 in the command. What's that for? 90, not 30. Oh, probably because I'm doing that there instead of there. Jesus, Fusion, you don't need to use cap, you know. Oh well. Looks like that's something I didn't think of. It shows people's fucking IP every time they join, doesn't it? Fuck's sake. Oh well. I don't care about mine being showed. I'm thinking more about other people. Oh well. Next one, please. I ain't gonna get into shit for doing this on a stream, am I? Can't do, surely. Sorry, I just want to start it again, because obviously they're the best ones. Down to 40. Huh. Yeah, it's going down finally, I guess. So, why didn't that work? Also, what does this symbol here mean? Oh. The slot is 11, right? 8, 9, 10. Fuck, it's 10, okay. Well, in that case, I'll just use this slot to test it. Okay, that teleported me to the home, right? Yeah. And then if I... Wait, no, I said... So that should have set the home. It did, cool. So I just need to add a confirmation message for them. So... And... island.message all. Nah, that sounds so wrong. Change the location of the island home. And I did change it to this slot 10, yes. So, what do I do now? I guess I code a GUI to invite players. Yeah, we'll do that because that's something that's decent to code. So we need to add another item. Where am I doing this? Right here. I equals new item stack material dot skull item 1 short skull type dot player dot ordinal skull meter sm equals I skull. Yeah. See you, Sarah. Asking what coding. Asking with coding, can you put blocks in the world? Yes, you can. You can set blocks, yeah. And in fact, I do it in this plugin, I think. Yeah, look, I do it right here. You just need a location, and then you can set multiple. I mean, yeah. I don't know if you can do multiple like with one line of code, but you can set multiple. What's this error? Why can't I? Oh shit. Two lines to set as many as you want. What the fuck are you on about? Display name core.color. Invite members. I'm just gonna copy this each time. I can't even bother to fucking. Now we'll change it just to members. And we'll do left click to manage island members. And then right click to invite members. We'll code the whole managing thing before we code the invite thing, because it's a bit simpler, I think. So something I just thought is we need to not set this in here. We need to do that. I do, it's just github.com/asking. What's this error coming from? Oh shit, right. The page here will be home. And it'll be home here too, right? Yeah. No. Only if they accept an invite. What's on the GitHub? Not a lot. I think the Solar Mines plugin's on there. This one. But then most of the other things are just old projects. And I think it's an outdated version of that as well. I don't know, let's have a look, shall we? That was something I had to do for senior team. I have my old gang thing for Prevail. Actually, it's not old. I have my old Afterlife enchants thing. Looks like I put a few of my Afterlife plugins on here. I put the whole Mayhem thing, and then I think the rest of them are public plugins. Yeah. I don't know what this is. Might get rid of that. And then this was something that was forked to me when I was, because this is one of the people that helped me learn Face My Wrath. I can't remember what his Discord was, but his Discord was something different. But he made his own server, Minecraft Eliminations, and it was like mini games where you choose a mob to fight as, and each mob has its own things. Pretty cool, I thought. 28 viewers, cool. Someone's botting it again. Brilliant. Oh well, not a lot I can do. And then in here we need to put the home thing as well. When you finish the plugin, can you paste it on GitHub? Maybe. The thing is, I don't want people to like easily be able to just copy it, you know? I mean, like right now, obviously you could copy this plugin if you wanted, but you'd have to watch all of the streams, and you know, it'd be painful for you to copy it right now. Whereas if I put it on GitHub, people can very easily copy the plugin, which I don't really want. Lovely. Solar.users.get p.get unique ID. I need to put if .has island else. So that'll be home. That'll be no island. Don't fucking bot me at all. Stop. I don't want 1,000 inactive subscribers. Do I use WinRAR? I don't even have it installed right now. I had it installed before, but I reset my laptop like a month ago. Probably even less than that. So I don't have it at the moment. Oh god, that looks nasty. Wait, is it 10 or 11? It's 11 for the second one in that. So. Do I include the owner? Yeah, I might as well. So, item stack I equals new item stack material.skull item. One second, let's have a look at that, shall we? What was I doing? I keep on distracting myself. Fuck's sake, I do this all the time. I do this too much when I code. That's my problem. I get distracted too easy. I thought I got the island as a placeholder, I guess not. Wait, no, I shouldn't do that there, I should do it here. Because I need to check if they have an island first. You fucking ate all that steak already? Or did you lose it? Let's just give, oh god, you're in this world, okay. Really? Wooden shovel? Yeah. Why can't I fucking get name? Can now, weird. I don't know why, but it annoys me when that's below the display name setting instead of above it. Doesn't make any difference, but... Um. Now we'll do 11. And I don't want the GUI here to be so big. Inward equals bucket dot create inventory null 27 core dot color island members. And then I need this 27. Cool. "24 viewers apparently. So 5 of these people are real people and then 20 are bots, I bet. I'm not going to bother typing this out. I'm just going to pretty much copy it. And I don't want to do it like that. Int x equals 12, x is less than island.get member count minus 12, and I just quickly need to check in that member count, do I include the owner or do I not? No, I just do members the size. Cool. So UID member equals island.get members .get x and then this is where I need all this code. X. And for those that were wondering, if anyone, I'm doing 12 because of this. Although I probably should have just done this the other way around, but yeah, we'll do 0 and then we'll add 12 to it instead. And I never even set the owner of it. Oops. Oh shit, I didn't mean to cut that. That's literally all Klexi. Is that how you say your name? I don't know. That's all you come into the streams for, isn't it? Like, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Yeah, well, I finally finished my gen plugin after a week of struggling with hollows. Huh? You need holograms for a generator plugin? I assume you don't mean cobblestone generators then. Or are you having cobblestone generator? Nah, that's a terrible idea. Don't have holograms against above cobblestone gens. No, like ore gens. Do you play Asylum Cloud? Or did you play Asylum Cloud, I should say? They're having the time of their life, aren't they? How the fuck did you get diamond armor? And it generates one for you minus single block. They're just enjoying the little survival, aren't they? I mean, they're just flattening out a whole area, it looks like. Off topic again. I gave him 30 diamond. How did you get 30 diamonds? If island user is leader from auto miner. Ah well. So I only want the leader to be able to kick people. So if you're not the leader, I'll just say that they're a member. Actually, I should put the time that they joined. Yeah, we'll do that. 4. What is it? Island get join. Okay, I need to make that method. Public long get join time uidu member. Actually, do I set the join time for the leader as well? I don't. I want to do that. Because there's probably going to be an option to transfer the leader, isn't there? So. Return join time dot get member. And then we'll also do public long get. How would you word this? Like how long the player's been on the island? Get member time, I guess. Didn't really want to close that, I'm going to need it again. Player time. No, that sounds stupid, I think. Retweets. I don't actually know, I've never put items in a chest, but I don't think it's that hard. Retweets, I mean how long they've been in the island. You could listen to this voice all day, God's sake. The thing is, right, I don't know if I should be kind of weirded out by that, or if that's a good thing. Like, yeah. No fusion, it's the time that they've been on the island, not the time that they've been online. Like, it's the time since they joined the island. So it would be like member for 5 days, for example. It's a good thing, don't worry. He would rather listen to you than his girlfriend, but not in a gay way. Fair enough. Where was I doing this again? Zach. That should be fine, right? Should I make this update every second, or is that over the top? Nah, I'm not gonna make this update. I'm just gonna leave this as staying still. Keyboard ASMR. How do you feel about the keyboard? Is it annoying or is it alright? Because obviously some people probably find it annoying. But personally, I think that the sound of like a nice keyboard through a nice microphone is pretty good. I like the sound of it too. It's like if you've got an awful microphone, then it's fucking like nasty to listen to. But if the microphone's good, the chair noise. What, this one? God, that's nasty. Is that a cheap ass chair? To be honest, I think my chair is the same price as my keyboard, even though my keyboard was on sale. Like this chair is cheaper than my keyboard is. Is that bad? I feel like that's not good. Oh shit. Do I make it so that you can open the members yet? In fact, do I even set that? 11. Cool. What's my keyboard? Razer Black Widow. Ultimate, I think, 2016. It's just all green. All green LEDs. Got a new chair for Christmas. $200 fucking for a chair. I paid like, I think £60 for the chair, like a year ago, maybe. Or was it 50? I don't know. I got it from fucking Argos though, I know that much. Do you have Argos in America, or is that a British thing? I don't know. It's British, isn't it? Anyway, I should probably just stop sitting here and talking. I should probably do something. If slot equals 11, else if slot equals... Amazon's the best. I got my keyboard and my mouse mat and my desk from Amazon. I got my monitor and my chair from Argos. And I got my laptop from Curry's PC World. Klexi has a voice kink. Oh, that's weird. Just, you're fucking the person and you don't want them to shut up the whole time, otherwise you stop being aroused. I never thought I'd say something like that in my life. But that's what you mean, right? Basically. What the fuck? Okay. Never thought I'd hear that in my life. This is even getting weird for me. I like how people click on this to watch me code, and then they're here listening to me fucking talking about someone having a kink about someone's voice. Like, things get different than they originally are intended to be, huh? You're still breaking all these blocks. What is he doing? I mean, this was like a giant mountain up to like here earlier. Like, well, so if slate equals 11, if e.get click equals click type dot left, else if e.get click equals click type dot right, p dot open inventory. I just want to do a dot add p quick p menu p. I've never laughed so loud to a stream before. Alright, let's give that a test. I think that's everything for the members bit. I mean, obviously clicking doesn't do anything, but we'll give it a shot. The only thing I'm wondering right now, right, and this is kind of weird to think, but at what point do I start doing like face cam on my streams? Because obviously that's kind of like a common thing to do with live streams, isn't it? You have face cam with your stream. See you, Fusion. Oh shit, now I don't have anyone to test with, fuck. So I still need to fix that. Cool. Island leader for 12 seconds. That sounds about right. Is anyone able to get on? What's the IP? This is the IP. If you're in the server, which is in the description, I'll put it in here in the chat. But I don't know if you're in the server or not. I'm sure I got fucking 2 mentions on here. I can read these on stream. What? An error occurred. Yay, the chat broke. You can. I mean, I have no issues with showing my face, right? It's just like it's always something for, I don't know how to put it right. It's kind of like face cam is one of those things that YouTubers save for a milestone, right? How are you doing the generation? I've literally just made a simple generation section which finds out if is equal. I always just do it on the X correlation. I always just do it on the X I didn't bother making it a grid, it's just a line. Yeah, islands are literally just in a straight line 1,000 blocks apart. Wait, what? Did I not create an island? Or did I restart? Oh, I relogged. Yeah, I've went the other way and done a grid. I don't care about having a grid. I mean, I'm just gonna do it the easy way, innit? Alright, cheers. So does this work? That doesn't have a law. I guess I probably didn't set it. Hello again, Sarah. I like your skin. Yes. 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 Bye-bye. Alright, what was I doing again? I completely forgot. Oh shit, the thing didn't have a law, I need to look why. I'd imagine I just didn't set the law. No, I do set the law. Huh. It's because I had that if statement, that's why. Are you doing a custom cobblestone generator thing with chances of ores? Probably. I actually don't know how to code that, you know. But I will try. And I'll probably just, yeah, I'll try and code it, but if I can't code it, I'll just use a different plugin. Because I'd like to do that and make it so you can upgrade it as well. I mean, let's be honest, right? It's quite common for SkyBlock servers now to allow you to upgrade your island. And not to be like cocky, right, but I feel like I can do it better than a lot of servers do it, because obviously a lot of servers aren't using a custom jar. They're just using like a deluxe menu thing. Let's invite them both, yeah. I won't kill you this time, don't worry. I'll kill you there, Zach. Should I go into GMS? I'll make it fair look. Go on, Zach, you gotta wake up otherwise you're falling. Oh shit, no, he's got a sword! No. Try me. I'm not very good at the new PvP. Are you going to make a custom SkyBlock island? Yeah. Well, I don't know if I will make it, but someone will. Fair enough. Is there going to be a ranking system? I'll probably add a rank up system, yeah. Damn, even with a stone sword you killed me. I'm not very good at the PvP in this game, honestly. I'll kill you this time, though. I honestly don't even know. Oh, fuck. I don't even know if mob spawning's off or not. No, it shouldn't be. No, it's definitely not off. Okay, oh, error. What's that? Get member, huh? Get member time. Why is that giving an error? 110. That shouldn't give an error. Well, obviously it shouldn't give a fucking error. Maybe I don't do that in the join thing. Yeah, I don't set it. Join time.put member system.current time milliseconds. Cool. Let's try that again. I'm just going to quickly look through these messages. Alright, DMs have been looked through so I can show it again. Am I the only one that sometimes just like follows the text when I'm reading? What? Yes, pretty much, unless I'm in it. I don't care about the previous messages. I'm confused what you're on about, not gonna lie. Oh shit, he'd already left before I said goodbye. Whoa! Cool. You ended up reading chat too long after I responded, yeah. Ah well, that happens a lot, doesn't it? And the thing isn't like real time either. So sorry, I sneezed. Just mute my mic for that. Alright. How long have I been streaming now? Okay, well this is officially the longest stream I've done. No, I haven't got any testers. Brilliant. 9 people watching. Are they all actual people or are some of them still bots? Yeah, by the time you saw something, it's 15 seconds later. I'm responding, but you don't have no clue. I mean, I think the stream is like... Actually, let's test this, right? Okay, I'm going to test it. So, I tab into OBS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's like 7 seconds behind. Not too bad, I guess. I'll test if you need. Cheers. I'll let you know if I need another tester. I don't know at the moment. Well, I will definitely, because the next GUI, the next panel I'm going to be coding is the invites. So. Java looks so complicated compared to other stuff. To me, this is pretty basic, but that's just how I do it. Like LMP. Most people would do like lore and player and things like that. Like if I was to go into this class, does this make it a bit more like basic? Since I'm not generally using just like one letter variables. I think that's what's confusing you, because my all my variables are just like one letter long instead of proper words, right? That's just how I do it, so I don't have to type out like whole words each time. Like instead of typing player, I type P, so I'm typing 5 less characters each time. It's just being lazy, I guess. Ah well. What am I doing now? How big should the GUI be for the inviting? Fuck it, we'll do 36. Oh shit, what did I do there? I didn't have numlock enabled. I mean, realistically, there's never even gonna be more than fucking 36 players on this server. So, I can pretty confidently set it to 36. No connection. Am I still streaming? Or has my internet gone down? Hopefully the internet hasn't gone down. Well, I'm still on the server, so can't have. Maybe it's just my phone playing up. It means I can't it means I can't see the chat. Oh, I can see it again. Is it still live? Shows an error for me. Yeah, it says that for me too. I haven't ended it though. That's shit. I don't want to end it yet as well, but